Welcome to the latest episode of Research That Matters. I am Dr. Chris Freitag with Lavaca County Chiropractic in Hallettsville, Texas, and this is our weekly post about what the science and what the research is saying about topics that matter to you. And this week we are talking about how inflammation affects your body. So inflammation is like a check engine light for your body. It tells you that something isn't quite right and you should pay attention. The first step in discovering the cause of the problem is determining whether you have acute or chronic inflammation. Acute inflammation is short-term and plays a critical role in healing and injury repair. Chronic inflammation, on the other hand, describes a condition where your immune system continues to produce white blood cells and chemicals even after the injury is gone. The combination of chronic inflammation and an excess of white blood cells can cause problems for your immune system. In some cases, your immune system may even begin to target healthy cells and structures. If sustained over a long period of time, you may experience changes in your cells, tissues, and organs that can increase the likelihood of disease. Of course, one of the most significant challenges is that chronic inflammation can be invisible unless you know where to look. So here are a few of the most common signs of chronic inflammation. Insulin resistance. Insulin helps control the sugar levels in your blood, and inflammation could affect how well your insulin works. Muscle weakness. Chronic inflammation can cause your immune system to mistakenly attack and inflame your muscles, which can make you weaker. Fatigue is a sign of long-term inflammation and common in inflammatory diseases like fibromyalgia, multiple sclerosis, lupus, and rheumatoid arthritis. If you've been living with muscle weakness, fatigue, or other nagging pains, you may also be living with chronic inflammation. It's often your daily habits that contribute to this state of chronic inflammation. Know that our team specializes in helping you create a healthy lifestyle through daily habits that combat chronic inflammation. We invite you to take the first step toward better health by scheduling your next visit with us today so we can work together to help you feel and function at your best. So thank you for joining me today for the latest episode of Research That Matters. Click the like or the follow button to make sure that you continue to receive the latest updates from the research that matters to you.